Happy Friday, everybody. I just got home and I filmed the road up to my house, but I don't think that it's gonna really do that road justice because it's a dirt road and it's pretty steep. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys what my routine is when I get home. So first thing foremost, I was naughty and I opened a road soda. Is it really a road soda though if you are in your own driveway? First order of business is to get all of this stuff out of my truck. I'm gonna try and get all of this stuff in one go. Let's see how I do. Oh, I don't think it's gonna be so bad. Okay, maybe. Ooh. Okay. Oh no, my White Claw. Got my White Claw and my phone in one hand and the rest of this stuff. Oh yeah. Like a boss. Almost there. Oh no, I forgot the door's locked. Okay. Maisie, no. Okay, so here's something. I think I just filmed a whole bunch of stuff and I never hit record because I'm an idiot. So I'm not sure exactly where I left off, but oh god, it's gonna be a long road. I put on lipstick if you didn't see it. But I don't know. This is my first video and I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do here, but I've been wanting to start a YouTube thing for a while now, a couple of years. I don't know. I really want to at least start putting something up here because I would like to start my own business someday. It's been a dilemma of mine of not doing anything if I didn't know what I wanted to do, and that's not fair to myself. You know, I've got to try something. And then there's the whole learning curve of like being comfortable just being in front of the screen, which is not something obviously that I'm super comfortable with yet, but it is kind of hard to think of what to say constantly, I guess, at this point. I mean, video number 1. I guess what I would like to do with this channel is to sort of document what I'm doing in real life. Also kind of motivate myself to do some of those other hobby things that I've always been interested in and never had, like, I guess I never gave myself the time or allotted myself the time to do some of those things. Like jewelry making, for example, is one that I did in high school, and I absolutely loved it. And I you know, maybe one of these videos I'll show you some of the stuff that I've made. I'd love to learn how to do pottery, so maybe I'll make like a pottery video or something if I can figure out where I can even learn pottery and do pottery. And oh, and the whole off-grid thing. Like I've been dreaming of doing this for 11 years now. I think I first learned about off-grid tiny houses when I was 11 or 12. It's something that I've always wanted to do, and even when I was like 3 or 4, I was drawing pictures of my house. I've always had like big ideas about, you know, dream houses. I don't know. The good thing is while I've been talking, I'm almost done with the dishes, so that's a plus. And I think I'm gonna start the generator too and show you how to do that. All right, so time to start the generator. So I'm gonna put on my jacket, which is my favorite sweater in the whole world. I thrifted it, and it got a little hole in it, so I patched it up with pink thread. There's a couple of other pieces that I need to patch as well. Come on, Tara. Daisy, come on. Good girl. But for now, let me see if the generator's already out here. I'm pretty sure it is. Ooh, look at that view. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I like it up here. What are you doing? We've got chickens. The chickens are out. Success. Crash landing. Out. I did it. Let's start the generator. Oh. Did you hear that? A couple of crows. Actually, I think those were ravens. We have a huge family of ravens that lives, they live on that side of the mountain, and they I don't know what I'm doing. They live in a tree. Duh. Generator 101. So I have it plugged into the house. It's hard to see. This switch is the EcoBoost switch, so it uses less power. This is the Honda Generator 2200. So I want to turn the choke on. Looks like this switch is already in the on position. Nice. See, that's a good Honda generator. Turn the choke on or off. That's what I'm talking about. So now it's time to go back inside and make sure the lights are going nicely. Oh, girls, stop fighting. Oh, Cairo, did you hurt yourself? Oh, honey. Honey, what did you do? Your hip. What happened? Does it hurt? Does it hurt? Did it hurt right there? Is that better? Better? Sit. Shake. Oh, it's a baby. Who's the baby? I think we went through all the stuff that I would want to talk about in my first video. You got to see a little bit of the house. We talk about kind of where I want the channel to go. And I think that with the light settling down here, I think that I'm gonna call her quits for tonight. Yeah. That's it.